Hello everyone, I'm Sophie from Shenzhen, OKView technology company. Here is our latest 27-inch portable suitcase. It can tilt the screen freely and the engine can adjust. And it's foldable. Here is the Bluetooth speaker. And you can carry it. Okay, it also has the built-in whiteboard. You can write and make presentation.
What's it?
Okay, for more information, please visit our website www.szokv.com. Thank you.